Welcome! Today, we're focusing on bee-friendly landscaping with the top plants to attract pollinators. These choices will help create a vibrant, bee-friendly garden that supports local ecosystems. Subscribe and like if you're excited to make your garden buzz with life. Creating a bee-friendly garden involves more than just planting a few flowers. It requires a thoughtful approach to designing a space that supports these vital pollinators. Bees are essential to the ecosystem, responsible for the pollination of many plants, including numerous food crops. By selecting plants that attract and nourish bees, you can contribute to their health and well-being while enhancing the beauty of your garden. Here's an in-depth exploration of some top plants that will make your landscape a haven for bees and other pollinators. 1. Lavender, Lavandula sp. Lavender is a timeless choice for bee-friendly landscaping, renowned not only for its lovely fragrance, but also for its ability to attract a wide range of pollinators. This perennial herb, with its slender, aromatic purple spikes, thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it a versatile addition to many garden designs. The tubular flowers of lavender are a rich source of nectar, which draws bees in from near and far. The plant's resilience and low maintenance make it an excellent choice for gardeners looking to create a pollinator-friendly space. Lavender can be planted in garden beds, borders, or even containers, adding a touch of elegance and a delightful aroma wherever it's placed. Regular deadheading of spent flowers and occasional pruning to maintain shape will help keep the plant healthy and encourage continuous blooming. 2. Echinacea, Echinacea purpura. Known commonly as coneflower, Echinacea is a hardy perennial that brings a vibrant splash of color to your garden while providing an essential food source for bees. Its daisy-like flowers, which come in hues ranging from purple to pink and white, feature prominent cone-shaped centers that are rich in nectar. This plant is well suited for a variety of soil conditions and can tolerate both drought and heat, making it a robust addition to any bee-friendly garden. To promote continuous flowering, consider planting multiple varieties with staggered blooming times. Additionally, Echinacea is known for its medicinal properties, particularly its immune-boosting effects, which further adds to its value in a garden setting. 3. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta. Black-eyed Susans are a staple in many gardens, not only for their cheerful golden yellow blooms, but also for their appeal to pollinators. These perennial flowers, with their distinctive dark brown centers surrounded by bright petals, produce abundant nectar that attracts bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Black-eyed Susans are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in a range of soil types and light conditions, although they prefer full sun. 4. Bee balm, Monarda diadema. Bee balm, or Monarda, is a showstopper in any pollinator garden with its vibrant, spiky flowers that come in shades of red, pink, purple, and white. The plant's tubular flowers are particularly attractive to bees due to their nectar-rich structure. Bee balm also attracts a variety of other pollinators, including butterflies and hummingbirds, making it a valuable addition to any garden designed to support biodiversity. Bee balm thrives in full sun to partial shade and requires moist, well-drained soil. Regular watering and good air circulation are important to prevent mildew, a common issue with this plant. 5. Milkweed, Asclepias sp. Milkweed is a crucial plant for supporting monarch butterflies, but it also provides a valuable nectar source for bees. Its clusters of small, star-shaped flowers offer ample nectar and attract a diverse range of pollinators. Milkweed's role in the life cycle of monarchs as the host plant for their larvae adds another layer of ecological significance to its presence in your garden. 6. Aster, Aster stub. Asters are late-blooming perennials that provide a vital nectar source for bees and other pollinators as summer turns to fall. Their daisy-like flowers, available in shades of purple, pink, blue, and white, add a burst of color to your garden during a time when many other plants are finishing their bloom cycle. Asters are particularly valuable in extending the feeding period for pollinators and ensuring they have access to nectar as the season progresses. 7. Salvia, Salvia sp. Salvia or sage is a versatile plant that attracts bees with its tubular flowers, which come in colors such as blue, purple, red, and pink. Its aromatic foliage adds an additional sensory experience to your garden, and the plant's resilience makes it suitable for a variety of conditions. Salvia is particularly well suited for drought-tolerant gardens and can thrive in full sun. To maintain its health and encourage a prolonged blooming period, regular deadheading of spent flowers and periodic pruning are recommended. Salvia also serves as an attractive border plant or container specimen, adding both color and pollinator support to your outdoor space. 8. Snapdragons, Antirrhinum majus. Snapdragons are known for their unique, dragon-shaped flowers and vibrant colors, making them a visually striking addition to any garden. Their tubular blooms provide a source of nectar for bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Snapdragons are excellent for adding vertical interest to garden beds and can also be used in containers for a burst of color. Plant snapdragons in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Pinching back the tips of young plants will encourage a bushier growth habit and more prolific flowering. 9. Catmint, Nepeta. Catmint, with its spiky clusters of lavender blue flowers and aromatic foliage, is a favorite among bees and other pollinators. Its resilience to drought and poor soil conditions makes it an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens. Catmint's soothing fragrance also adds a pleasant sensory element to your garden, while its ability to repel some pests can benefit other plants. For the best results, plant catmint in full sun to partial shade and ensure well-drained soil. 10. Cosmos, Cosmos bipinnata. Cosmos are cheerful annual flowers that provide a profusion of color and attract a variety of pollinators, including bees. Their delicate, daisy-like flowers in shades of pink, white, and orange offer ample nectar and are particularly appealing to bees. Cosmos are known for their long blooming period, from summer through fall, making them a valuable addition to any garden. Plant cosmos in full sun and well-drained soil. Their tall, airy growth habit and vibrant blooms can create a stunning visual display in garden beds or containers. Creating a bee-friendly garden. To maximize the benefits of these bee-friendly plants, consider incorporating a variety of them into your garden to ensure a diverse and continuous supply of nectar throughout the seasons. Additionally, minimizing the use of chemical pesticides and providing sources of water, such as shallow bird baths or small ponds, can further support the health and well-being of bees. Your efforts will help sustain bee populations and support their crucial role in pollination, ultimately benefiting the broader environment and your garden's overall health and beauty. That's a wrap on bee-friendly landscaping. Planting these flowers will not only beautify your garden, but also support our vital pollinators. If you enjoyed this guide, like the video, subscribe for more gardening tips, and hit the notification bell for updates. Thanks for watching.